Hi, this is Dr. McClellan, and this video is about your research assignment for your analysis essay. I'm going to go through the assignment first, and then I'm going to open my document to show you an example of how to do it. Okay, so what you're doing is you're in this one you've already got your research, but you're adding your lead-ins, your direct quotations, your in-text citation, and you're also formatting your works cited page entries and your annotations, and you're going to check and make sure that your research is where it needs to be. All right, so you open this unit's outline assignment. I'm going to go ahead and open mine. Put that off to the side. And then I'll open my document, put it off to the side. Okay, so this is the same document I've been working with. It's the one that you can click on and look at. Remember, this is my outline, and then this is my analysis research assignment. Okay, so open this unit's outline assignment. Now you should have already done all the research you need to do for this outline, for this research assignment. Remember, in this set of assignments for this essay, you actually started your excuse me, you actually started your research in the thesis statement assignment. Remember that you're supposed to put your quotations in your middle sections of your outline. So they're supposed to be in section B, C, and D. Now, as a last resort, if you can't find anything about the pay, the job availability, or the required education, and you should be able to find all of that on the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics website and other websites like professional websites to do with your career choice, you should be able to find that information. But as a last resort, if you can't, then you can put a quote in the introduction or a quote in the conclusion. But you really want it to be in the middle. All right. So here you're correctly formatting your quotations, your lead-ins, and your in-text citations. Now the same rules apply. As always, don't quote a quotation. Don't use direct quotes in the first sentence, the thesis statement. The topic sentence is the concluding statement. The last sentence of any of the sections are in the same section of your outline. And you also need a works cited page, but it's not going to be part of your outline. And then for the annotation, 3 to 4 sentence annotation that answers what is this, and in this case you're all looking on websites. For the most part, y'all are getting information from websites. So what is this web page about? Why does this web page support this essay? How does this web page support this essay? And why is this author, or why is this web page a credible secondary source? Okay, so gone through that. Now let's make this big, and we'll go through and look. So I just copied and pasted my outline to, it's the exact same thing as this, except I made it bigger font. And then I'm just going to come down, because I've already decided where everything's going to go. I'm just going to come down here to the quotations. So I took this quotation from the Occupational Employment and Wage Statistics webpage. And what I'd like everybody to do is try to work this into your sentence so that it's grammatically correct. See, I don't have an according to for this one. I just state English professors average about $75,930 a year nationwide. Now the ticklish thing in this particular assignment is going to be getting this right, getting what's in your in-text citation correct. So let's go ahead and look at the rest of them. For this one, I used from the beginning instead of according to, and then here's my in-text citation. And then this one works in with the most popular place to look for position teaching college English is in the job listings in the Chronicle of Higher Education. And then here's my in-text citation. So see how I worked all of those into a grammatically correct sentence? Now here's my works cited page. So here's the thing with this works cited page. Because we're not using the library, you have to type all of this yourself. I know that hurts. You're going to have to type all of this yourself. Now, if you go back and you look, so let's look at this one. College, university, teaching. This information will lead you right back to this quote. So for this research assignment, whatever is the very first item in your works cited entry for this quote needs to be in the parentheses at the end, and it needs to be formatted exactly like it is on that works cited page. Exactly. As a matter of fact, let's do this. I'm going to copy and paste my works cited page. And open a new document. Paste it over there. Put it on that side. Okay, so here we are. See what I've got here? Chronicle of Higher Education. Chronicle of Higher Education. It's in the parentheses and it's italicized. College, university, teaching. That's this one. And then the last one was occupational employment and wage statistics. And that is this one. See, it's the exact same thing. Notice there's no page number. The reason there's not a page number, I'm going to minimize that. The reason there's not a page number is because web pages don't have page numbers. Websites don't have page numbers. What they have is a URL. What they have is a URL. So a website has an overall page and a page number, and a web page has one on that website. Okay, so how do I know how to do this? Well, we're going to go look at Purdue OWL electronic sources. All right, so I'm going to put that over to the right and put my works cited page over here. So well, it won't let me. Why won't it let me? Okay, I'll just make it bigger. Okay, so web page or piece of online content, Wikipedia article, online scholarly journal, article from an online periodical, abstract, news article, electronic dissertation, dictionary, online data sets, blog post, TED Talk. I guess I passed it up, didn't I? Okay. Oh, maybe, oh shoot, no wonder I'm in APA. Well, how did I do that? Hold on. MLA. I thought that looked funny. All right, here we go. All right, so here's the basic information we need, and that's how it should look. So what I did is I just copied and pasted. I just copied and pasted this list of information, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so the first piece of information is author and our editor names, if available, last names first, just like with the first essay. However, if you do not have authors' names, and they're either going to be at the top of the page, web page, or the bottom of the web page, but when you're looking at .gov, .edu, and .org websites, and a lot of .com websites too, you're not going to have a person's name because it's not an article. There's no person's name. So we don't even worry about it anymore. We're just going to mark through it. We don't have the information, so now we're going to go to the next piece of information. And the next piece of information is the article name or the web page name in quotation marks. So this one, that is the title of the web page. This is the title of the web page. Now, how do I figure that out? Well, let's go look at it. Well, this didn't let me link last time. Let's see. So we got into this, and I looked up English professors. And I clicked on the very first one. So this is where I got my information from. That's the title of this particular web page. How do I know? It's at the top. This is even farther up at the top, but watch what happens when I open the link in a new tab. It takes me somewhere completely different. See, this is the home page. So this is the name of the entire website, and this is the name of this particular web page. So all I have here is occupational, employment, and wage statistics. So from here to here. Now I need to know the title of I got that. So we're going to cross that out. And web pages, and here's the difference, web pages make up websites. Web pages go in quotation marks, just like journal articles. Now I need the title of the website. The title of the website is U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, and it must be italicized. So I've got that. Okay, any version numbers, including additions, revisions, posting dates, volumes. Posting dates for this kind of website are usually at the bottom. Sometimes they can be at the top, but usually they're at the bottom. And this was last modified March 31st, 2022. And I like to use the day, month, year format. If you're going to use the day, year, month format, be sure and use it consistently. If you're going to use the month, day, year format, that's fine. Just be sure and use it consistently. So this comes over here. And then who published this? The United States government publishes it because it's a U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. So that was the next piece. Let's get rid of that one. So we mark that one. Okay, publisher information, including publisher name and publishing date. I don't have a publishing date, so I'm not going to worry about it. And then any page numbers or paragraph numbers, we don't have any of that on this particular source. And then the DOI are the permalink. And so that would be this information right here. to recopy that because it has been working for me. Okay, so there's my DOI or my permalink. And then I need the date I accessed the materials. And I accessed this on 16 February 2023. And then my annotation, don't forget that your annotations are supposed to be paragraphs. So the first line is indented and they are double spaced. Don't forget that your entries are hanging indents and they are also double spaced. And again, you're writing about what is this web page or website about? Why does this web page or website support this essay? How does it support this essay? And why is this web page or website a credible source? And don't forget, you have to write in third person. You have to not use contractions, no slang. You follow the same rules as you do for the body for your essay or for your outline. All right, that's how I did that. Now this one's a little bit different. This was an entire website, and for entire websites, I didn't have an article specifically because I was looking at a list of jobs. So I just put the Chronicle of Higher Education. I quoted the entire site, and I put the URL and then the date I accessed it because there wasn't an update or a posting date. And then this one. So this one, for the publication information, it was published by the University of Washington, and the University of Washington should not be italicized, just like the United States government should not be italicized. Okay, that's about it. Let me go back to my assignment. That's about it. Definitely, if you have questions for this one, contact me. And let me help you with formatting all of your quotations in your works cited pages. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.